God's plans,
iby'Imana ivuze ati uzopfa,
if God says you're gonna die,
ushobora gupfa uzize ibyaha
you
byawe,
can die because of your sin.
ariko bya byaha byawe mu gihe ubiretse
But if you leave those sins
ukitondera Imana yawe
and honor God,
ntabwo ushobora gupfa,
you cannot die.
kuko Imana
Because God,
burya ntigomba ngo abantu bakenyuka,
He doesn't want people to just die
gupfa udakwiza imyaka yawe,
without accomplishing their goals.
ntabwo ibishimana mba.
God doesn't like that.
Ariko hano y'Abisirayeli
But here He was advising people of Israel, telling them,
abahanura,
advising them,
arabereka,
showing them,
ati umusavyi we Yeremiya,
telling through Jeremiah,
muri bibumbano byanje,
you are my creation.
enda nimungarukeko.
You have to come back to me.
Ico gihe bari bataye Imana,
These people had left God.
bari bayihevye,
They had forgotten
ntabwo
about
bari
God.
bayizi,
They had forgotten about Him.
bisengera za Bayali,
They were now praying
bakisengera
idols.
n'ibindi bintu by'iwabo.
They were praising their idols.
Ariko Imana igashishikara gutuma umusavyi wayo Yeremiya
But God keeps sending
kugira ngo
Jeremiah
ababwire ngo bahinduke.
to talk to them so that they can change.
Ariko ngo barababwire,
But let me tell you,
ukurike biya ukuntu
if you
bamwanka,
follow the Bible the way they heard it,
sinzi ukuntu uko
Jeremiah,
bivuga, ariko kubera n'ukuboko kw'Imana
but because of the hand of God,
ndahumushira ntigikunda,
you cannot do anything.
ntigikunda,
You cannot do
kuko
anything.
uri mu Mana,
When you are in God,
mu gihe ugira ngo umushikira uca kuri yo,
if you want to get through Him, you have to look.
nayo Imana ishobora
God.
gutanga umuntu wayo ayubaha,
And God cannot give away His people.
kandi
The
yarayikorera,
person who honor Him and who
ayikorera
love Him.
neza,
Someone who
icyo
will do
yamutuma
His work.
cyose yaragenda akivuga,
Whatever He send Him to do, He will do it or say it.
amaze kubabwira ntibabyakira.
People did not understand.
Ndashaka gutuma Abisirayeli,
So the people of
Imana
Israel,
yatsibashwiragiza mu bihugu kubera banse kugira gute,
they were scattered all over
Banse-
because they did not listen.
banse guhinduka.
They did not want to change.
Iri jambo rigomba kuvuga gute,
This word it
rigomba
means
kuvuga kuri wewe,
it's talking about you.
wewe nanje
Me and you.
turi muri iki gihugu,
We are in this country.
ndibaza ntacyo tugaya,
we-
sinzi uwo bagaya, je ntacyo ngaya,
We appreciate everything.
ndashima.
We appreciate
Ariko kandi twese twavuye muri Afurika,
and we thank God because of
Tuza
where we
ngaha.
came from. We came in this country.
n'abantu bake bacu batayubaha Imana,
So many people came, few people who could not honor God.
ariko uyu munsi
But today,
umuntu wese yibereye mu vyiwe,
everyone is doing his own things.
iki akavuga ngo ntigishoboka, ngo ya
Some will say, this I don't care.
cihorere,
I don't care. Leave it aside.
cihorere, gisho cihorere,
Leave it aside.
wewe gishobora, wewe
Can
bishobora.
you do it?
Ariko
But
nta kintu cyanditswe muri Bibiliya utoshobora gushobora wewe,
everything in the Bible, you can do it.
byose urabishobora,
You can do it.
mubigendeye mu nzira yawe
As
nziza,
long as you walk in the plan of God.
ukabika rya jambo ryayo mu mutima
As
wawe,
long as you have the word in your heart,
riza gushira hejuru,
God will raise
nta
you
kintu ushobora
higher.
kubona ngo kirakugumiye namba na gato we.
Nothing will hold you.
Ariko abantu byarabagoye,
But these people, they struggled.
byarabagoye cyane
They
Abisirayeli,
struggled. The people of Israel,
baranka
they could not follow God's plans.
ngo ntabwo tukwizigira,
They lost faith on God.
tureke twigire mu byacu.
They said, leave us to do whatever we want to do.
Ati rero ko muvuze ko mureka mugire
Then
mu
God
byacu,
say, if you say you want to do your own things,
nanze nzonyuranya namwe,
I'm also gonna be opposing
ntabwo
you.
tutojana.
I won't go with you.
Abari bafite isezerano,
These people had a
bari
promise.
barahawe igihugu cya
They were given a country
kugira ngo Imana ibane nabo,
so that God live with them.
hanyuma icyubake kigire neza,
So that God build the country.
imihezagiro ibabeko
So
cyane.
that God blesses them.
Ariko
But because
baranga baza kumara imyaka myinshi,
they left the plan of God,
baza ngo byaza gute, bariya ba mbere ntabwo bakoze ibyaha bikomeye cyane, ariko abanyuma bari bamaze kwibagira, bamaze kurengana,
they completely forgot.
umuntu wese yigira mu vyiwe.
Everyone went to do according to
Ijambo
what he wanted.
ry'Imana ryaza,
When the word of God comes,
ngo reka tumugire inama,
they will just say, we don't care, let's just do our own thing.
tumwice,
Let's kill him. Let's plan
Yeremiya
and
bagovye
kill
kumwica
him.
kenshi.
They attempted to kill Jeremiah several times.
barigeze no kumukorera mu mugabo gw'amazi.
They even tried to throw him in a pit of
Ariko
water.
kubera Imana
But because of God,
isinwe imuwe muri bamwe,
because God entered in some people, they had a mess on him.
bamukurayo.
And they took him out.
Si kuvuga ngo ndikuvuga twese turamya vyawe.
It's not because we are all sinners.
Ari abantu batunganye
There are people who honor God here.
Ijambo ry'Imana mutima wabo.
Some people who have a word of God in their heart.
N'abandi badatunganye.
And other people who are not.
Rero wowe udatunganye
If
n'utunganye
you are not in his way, try to change.
hindukirira Imana ijambo ry'Imana rero muri
Change to
wewe.
God and you have the word in